Hello, Assalamu alaikum. She is Romana, your computer teacher, class 4, lecture number 1 for term 2. This is chapter number 6 and is about formatting in Word 2013. In last class, we discussed about Word, MS Word, and how we use MS Word, how we can write the letter or anything in the Word. Today, we are discussing formatting in Word. What is mean by formatting? Actually, formatting is refers to arranging or put in something into a format or the appearance of your data, like how you can make your data attractive, presentable manner. Okay, in this chapter actually I found some word which I found which is difficult, so I make a pictorial for this chapter. You see, I wrote here word vocabulary for the chapter 6. This will be your assignment too. I will tell you that you have to read this chapter, and whatever the word you find difficult, just make a list of the word which is new for you or which you want to learn and which you want to ask me the meaning, and which you think this is the new word you learn. Okay, I found some word like page formatting, page layout, theme, margin, orientation, and break. The word which I found which should be more explainable, I make a pictorial of that word. You can see this is I make a pictorial. This would be very easy to remembering the word. This is actually, you can say, the summary of your chapter. This is all about your formatting. Formatting means actually rearranging your decorating your data or decorating your letter or decorating your documents. This is we are telling about the document, because word is the documentation. Word used for documentation. Any letter you want to write, any application, essay, so you use the word. Okay, when you want to make this your document more presentable, arranging, when you arrange in some sort, or you can put into a format, so you use the formatting. Okay, uh, formatting mean is arranging the data. In this chapter I found formatting is the new word, and this is we are formatting page formatting. Why this is called the page? Because this is the one first page. Whatever you have to write in the word is be starting from the page. So it is more about letter or page. Another word of formatting is mean a page layout. Like formatting, you are formatting or you are applying, designing, you are applying some sort of format in a page. So this is refers to page layout. Layout mean like how you want to see your page. So if you see in your toolbar, you can see there is a different options like file menu, home page, insert tab, design tab, and this is your called layout tab. Okay, why? Because this is in this chapter they are referred to page layout, because we are formatting our page. Let's see, this is your chapter heading, formatting. And formatting, what you are formatting? You are formatting a page. So this is your page layout. It's mean how you want to decorate your page. It refers to page layout. So it should be present in your toolbar. So if you will see in the file home page, you will we discussed in the last class, home page is related to font, related to paragraph styling and everything. And insert tab, you know that we are inserting page, we are inserting pictures, we are inserting shapes, we are inserting some header, footer. Okay, the third is called the designing. If you want to design your page and something, this is called the layout. Layout is referring to the page layout. It's mean like you want to starting your page, how you can to start your page, what your page size should be, what your page orientation would be, what your size of the page, and it should be in one column, two column, page break. These are all the tab. If you see here, I wrote down all the page layout is consist of the commands I wrote in the in this circle format, like margin, orientation, size, and break. If you will see in the layout, you will see all the options are available in here. If you see in the margin, Okay, first of all, page layout is the term used to design how each page of your document will appear when it is printed. In Word, page layout includes elements such as the margins, the number of columns, how headers and footers appear, and a host of other consideration. Margin, it's what is mean by margin. Margin mean you can leave your right hand side and left hand side the space. Of course, we are not starting writing down in the corner of the page. This is like something you get the standard of everything. When you see your copy, you should be you draw a margin and then you have to write down your question answer and whatever. So in the page layout, first of all they will tell you the margin of the page, and by default is 1 inch margin is in the by default in the Word. When you start to write down anything, is by default is normal is called 1 inch from top, 1 inch from bottom, and 1 inch from left, and 1 inch from right. This is called the normal margin setup. Second thing is called the, if you will see, this is the orientation. Okay, the page orientation is the direction in which a document is displayed or printed. It's mean you want to portrait and landscape. Portrait mean upward direction and landscape mean it should be horizontally. Horizontally, if you want to if you want to straight your page, or if you want to landscape your page, this is called the page orientation. Third option is called the size. Size mean letter, legal, A4 size paper, A5 size paper. This is the different size of paper, and we know in the Word we are normally work on A4 size paper, right? Some pages are bigger, so we would we this is called the executive page, 8.5 to 13. But the a normal size A4 size paper is 8.27, 11.69 is the page size. You see that. And what is the page break? Page break mean like you want to break up your page. So these are different options which is used in this chapter. And if you I will give you this page, so this can be very easy to memorize or to give build the concept of the page. Okay, see you in the next class. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can free to ask me.